everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are well. In today's video, I am going to talk about travel exemptions, and I'm also going to show you the step-by-step procedure as to how you can apply for outbound travel exemption from Australia. I hope this video helps. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. And if you like the video, please press the like button and also subscribe to the channel. Without wasting much time, let's get started. Pre-COVID, if someone wanted to travel to Australia, all they required was a valid visa and a flight ticket. But now in the COVID era, traveling is really difficult because of the restrictions. So now you require a valid visa, a travel exemption, find flights to Australia, which is very limited, and also quarantine for 14 days after that. So today we're going to see how you can apply for a travel exemption and what are the different circumstances this can be done. In this video, let's just talk about the outbound exemption. So this exemption is required if you want to travel out of Australia. For better understanding, I have used this flowchart. So in a scenario, if you are a permanent resident or a citizen of Australia, and if you want to leave the country, you do require a travel exemption. We will be seeing in detail how this exemption request is done. But on the other hand, if you are somebody with a temporary visa and if you want to return to Australia, you do not require a travel exemption to leave the country, but you do require a travel exemption to enter the country. If the temporary visa holder does not intend to come back to Australia, then no travel exemption is required. Let's see the step-by-step procedure to apply for an outbound travel exemption. Just type in Travel Exemption Australia in Google, and the first link that you will be getting is the Travel Exemption Home Affairs link. So here you got to create an account, and there are 3 options. Because you're doing it yourself, just click register as an individual. We'll be creating an account here, entering the email address, first name, last name, contact number, and setting up a password. Once that's done, you will receive a validation email, and once you click on it, you will be able to log in to your account. So that's the screen that you'll see, and there is an option of clicking on Submit a New Request. Just click on that. And here's where you can pick your inquiry type. Because we are doing an outbound exemption, we will just select on I want to leave Australia. And I'm an Australian citizen or permanent resident, and I need to depart. As soon as you click that, some new fields will appear, like you can see. So the first field is where you will be explaining why you require a travel exemption. The character limit is 1,000. So just make sure you are very precise and to the point, and make sure you explain it properly. So these are the valid reasons under which you can apply for an exemption. So the options are, if you are going in response to a COVID-19 outbreak, you're traveling for business, you have an urgent medical treatment which is not available in Australia, some business work or compassionate ground, or a national interest, or traveling overseas for compelling reasons, at least for 3 months. If you're leaving for 3 months, you have to complete a stat deck stating that you will not be returning within the 3 months. After selecting the valid reason, you will be checking in all these boxes, and here's where we will be writing the details of the passenger. So here, role in traveling party is going to be self, and then you fill in your first name, last name, date of birth, country of residence, your passport details, your visa details, and pretty much everything. I'm not going to fill in all the details because obviously I don't want to apply for an exemption. This is just a dummy one. So once all this is done, fill in your address in Australia, and if you have the flight details, just fill in your flight number. Otherwise, you can just give unknown. In most cases, you will not have the flight details because the travel agents don't book the tickets unless you have a travel exemption in place. So once this is done, just submit it, and then you will receive an email like this. Within 48 hours, you will have the outcome of your exemption. There is a link as well so that you can track the status. Sometimes you also might be asked to submit some extra documentation just as an evidence. So just be prepared and have everything ready so that there's no delays in your process. That's all for today's video. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section below. And if you'd like me to make another video about inbound exemptions, let me know as well. So see you again next time. Bye bye.